Hi, I'm Dr. Janessa. I'm a pediatrician. And in this video, discuss natin kung paano magbigay ng ORS sa bata. Lately, we've been seeing a lot of cases of diarrhea and vomiting in children. So I decided to make a video on how to give ORS at home. In this video, discuss natin kung ano yung ORS, bakit kailangan bigyan ng ORS ang bata na nagsusuka at nagtatae, anong klaseng ORS ang ibibigay, and paano to bigay ng tama. ORS stands for Oral Rehydration Solution. Isa tong special solution that contains the right amount of water, the right amount of sugar, and the right amount of electrolytes. It is used to treat and prevent dehydration not just in children, pwede din itong gamitin ng adults. So bakit kailangan bigyan ng ORS ang batang nagsusuka or nagtatae? Because when a child has diarrhea or vomiting, they lose not only water but they also lose the electrolytes like sodium and potassium. If plain water lang yung ibibigay natin, hindi niya na-replace yung electrolytes na nawawala. If pipili kayo ng electrolytes, make sure na ito ay recommended ng World Health Organization. For example, pwede niyong hanapin yung word na reformulated ORS, kagaya nito, nakalagay dito. So may nakalagay na reformulated, para tamang amount ng sugar at electrolytes yung laman ng ORS. Meron tatlong klase, may powder form, may tablet, meron ding pre-mixed. So ito yung kailangan pang ihalo sa water. While this naman, ito yung mga ready to drink na. So flavored siya, meron grapes and meron ding apple. In terms of content, pareho lang naman sila ng content nitong dalawa. But the advantage of this is of course, hindi mo na kailangang haluin. So ready to drink na siya, mas palatable siya for children kasi flavored siya. So, yun lang naman yung advantage. So, mas easy to use ito. And at the same time, para siyang juice. So, madali siyang i-accept ng children kasi naka-tetra pack siya. So, ano yung hindi pwedeng ibigay? So, it's not recommended to give sports drinks. They are not meant to treat dehydration. Masyadong mataas yung sugar content nila and hindi rin appropriate yung amount ng sodium. Pwede pa niyang ma-worsen yung diarrhea ng bata. So, how do you give ORS? Ang advice ko, yung mga ganito, i-chill nyo muna sa ref kasi it enhances the flavor. And then, you can use either spoon, or pwede din kayong gumamit ng medicine dropper, for younger children, pwede din sa cup, pwede din sa feeding bottle. So, it depends yan kung ano yung preference nyo. Importante, i-measure nyo kung gaano kadami yung naibibigay nyo sa kanya. Give it every 1 to 2 minutes para hindi naman siya mabigla. Ang pagbibigay ng ORS is kada watery na dumi or vomiting. Kapag buo na yung dumi ng bata, pwede nang itigil yung pagbibigay ng ORS. Kapag nagsuka naman siya, ang tip ko is you wait for about 15 minutes or 30 minutes bago nyo bigyan ng ORS para makapagpahinga muna yung tiyan niya. Gano'ng kadami? So, usually pag less than 2 years old, you can give approximately 50 to 100 ml. While pag 2 to 10 years old naman, you can give 100 ml. For older children, like more than 10 years old, you can give as much as fluid as much as they want. Kung ano yung kaya nilang i-tolerate. Pwede bang ihalo yung ORS sa gatas? Hindi siya advisable kasi mababago yung content ng ORS. And at the same time, ayaw mo din ihalo sa milk kasi baka ma-associate na nung bata yung lasa ng ORS dun sa milk, pati yung milk niya baka ayawan na niya. If ever ayaw niya talagang mag-ORS, gusto lang niya magtubig, mas mabuti nang bigyan niyo na lang din ng tubig kesa wala siyang iniinom. Final message ko is, of course, first aid lang tong ORS na to. Importante pa din ipa-check up niyo yung baby niyo sa doktor para ma-check mabuti kung may signs of dehydration siya and ma-compute din ng tama kung ilan ba yung amount ng ORS na kailangan ibigay. Number 2, make sure na supervised nyo yung pagbibigay ng ORS. Remember, gamot pa din to, so store it safely kasi baka mapagkamalang juice. If meron pa kayong mga tanong about giving ORS or about diarrhea and vomiting in children, just put it in the comment section and I will try to answer. Please like and share and subscribe if you find this video helpful. Bye!